Simon Dan, thank you for the prompt, absolute speed reply again. Appreciate it. Let's just listen to this a second.
What I'm talking about is our eyesight. Why on earth would my eyesight not pick it up as soon as it came on? My eyesight does not rely on something to arrive at me.
Okay, right. Our eyes won't work without light. Therefore, the way that we see is governed by the laws of physics around light. Therefore, we have to be governed by the speed of light in terms of what we see. On Earth, you're never going to experience any sort of delay because the distances are so small that you'll feel like there's no delay. But space is huge, which means the speed of light tells us that there is a delay. That's what's going on.
So, I can understand everything you're saying again, but what I'm still having a lot of trouble believing, Simon Dan, right, is how am I expected to believe that that star is going to take 8 minutes and 20 seconds before I see it, whether there is other light or not? I understand this being governed by the laws of physics, but are we governed by the laws of physics, or are we being governed by the people who are writing the books who are telling us what the laws of physics are, right? If we divide our sun's diameter by the speed of light, we get the number 4.6 seconds. Now, can you actually picture the sun taking 4.6 seconds to radiate its light, the distance of one of its diameters? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.6. All right, I started with 1. It should have been 0, but you know what I'm saying, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.6. Now, I'm not sure where to go with this, but then we have UY Scooty with a diameter of 2.377 billion kilometers. If we divide that by the speed of light, we get 7,928 seconds. That's 2 hours and 12 minutes. Now, is it logical to believe that a star that size is going to take 2 hours and 12 minutes to radiate its light, the distance of its diameter? Is it logical or is it illogical? I personally think it's logical. These numbers are not adding up for me, and it is not adding up for me that whether it's dark, light, or in between, that if our star turned on from off, that it would take me 8 minutes and 20 seconds to see its light. It doesn't make any sense. It's all very well and good what they say, but can you see where I'm coming from, right? Now, there is nothing that tells me to suggest that the light radiating from the sun is an absolute. Why on earth would I think it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds, 4.6 seconds to radiate light, each of its diameters? I think it's borderline insane. What do you think about that? I mean, it's not just about what they tell us, is it? All right, talk soon.